Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the counting sort, which is sorting in linear time. Okay, given an array like this, it is a random array, and we want to apply the counting sort. There are two things we notice that the smallest value is 1 and the largest value is 9. So we should use this information about the array to initialize empty index with length 9. So let's initialize the index. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we first make it empty, so assign 0 to it. And in counting sort, we first count the values. So we loop through the array. We found 5, so we increment 1 at the 5 location. From 1, 1, 2 at 2 position, 2, and change to 2 plus 1. Okay. And 4 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 9 plus 1. Okay. So we have the array filled in the value 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. And then we gonna perform the adding function. We calculate this value by add its previous value. So this value, the first value will be 1 plus by 0, which 1. This one is 2 plus 1 is 3. And this one 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9, 9, and 11. So in this number is the length of this array. Because we have 11 elements, so we initialize an empty array with index from 1 to 11. So we do the same thing here. Index from 1 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and the next step is we loop from the back of the array and fill the positions. So the first value is 9, and I should fill it at 11 position. So at 9, and this one will minus 1, so it become 10. And 6 will be at 9 position, and this one minus 1. 3 will be in the 4 location. 3 minus 1, 3. 4 will be 6 minus 1, 5. 9 will be 10 location, and 10 will be minus 1. 6 will be 8 position, and then minus 1. 4 will be 5 position, and 5 minus 1. 2 will be 3 location, 3 minus 1. 2 will be 2 position, and 2 minus 1. 1 will be 1 position, and minus 1. 5 will be 7 position, 5. So now we have a sorted array. So this is a counting sort. Thank you. Okay, let's call this counting sort. We want to define the counting sort. It will take A and N and K. So A is the array, and N is the length of the array. K is the largest number in the array. There are some limitations, so we assume it's a positive integer. Okay. And first we need to initialize the value with the value, because in Python it is 0 based, so we probably want to initialize n plus 1 value, and we ignore the first value to make it match the index, because in our illustration we use the 1 based index. Okay, and for C we do the same thing. We initialize the k plus 1 value of 0, and we want to loop. We want to fill the C, so C will be the counting array, B will be our output array, and we want to loop through N. So we can call this function and have a test for the result. We give an input of the array and the length of the array, alright, and the k is 9. We have 9 digits. Okay, we print C. So C is the counting array. And then we have this kind of array. The first one is ignored. So the 1, how many times is 1? 2 is 2 times. 3 is 1. 4 is 2. Okay, so this is correct value. This is the correct. How we did here? We just loop from 0 to n, because this one is started with index 0 and to n, so we just loop this one. So here is n for the counting. Okay, we got this. And next we want to add the previous one to itself. So we want to loop start from 1 to k plus, and we have the c with I will plus or equal to c I minus 1. Okay, let's check the result. Okay, so we add the 1 to 0 is 1, 1 to 2 3, 3 add 1 4, 4 add 2 6. Okay, so that's correct. And next we want to do the backward loop and then fit the position. So we want to loop it from the back, which is this value. Okay, this value will be the length of the array minus 1. So we start from here and then we loop until 0. So because Python do not include the end value, so this one will be -1, and it's a reversed loop, so it's from larger to smaller. Okay, and then we want to store this value to b. How we store this value? So first we need to get the number in here. So C will get the number here. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Okay, we want to get AI, and this AI is 9, and then we get 11 here, and then the 11 location will be 9. Okay, so the final array at 11 location will be AI, so it will be 9. Okay, and once I assigned it, I should to decrease this value. So this array is C, and we want to decrease this value, so we decrease the AI value. Okay, and then we run. Okay, so there are some problems here. We should print B, not a C. So the B will be the final output array. Let's run this. Okay, so you get this array. This started with the index 0, and then 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9. So it's the correct sorted version. Actually, we need to get rid of the first one, so we need to return B start from 1. Okay, so let's try the result. Let's test if it's correct. So we can define an array equal to something random. Okay, and for this one we need to find the maximum value here. Put this here and put the array length here. Actually, let me change it to array 1. Okay, and then we run. So let us get rid of the print functions. Okay, clear. Okay, so this is the array we have. So we have the smallest one 2, and 3, we have 5 threes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the 4, 7, 4, 7, 4, 7, 45, 45, 45, 45, 53, 55, and 556. Okay, so we get this counting sort. As you can see, there is a limitation of the counting sort, which you only sorting the positive values because the index is always positive, either 1 based or 0 based. But there are some other methods you can try to figure it out. For example, detecting the sign of negative values and then use a similar principle to do the counting sort. Thank you.